Many times we have to describe very large numbers or very small numbers in such a way that's helpful to use. And one of the methods we do that is called scientific notation. It's kind of a shorthand way to describe, again, large or very small numbers, like the distance in feet to the moon or the width of my hair. Both of those describe a different method or a different way to help express that. So it's called scientific notation. Scientific notation is in the form of some number that's between 1 and 10 with a times sign with a 10 to the power. Okay? That's all it takes. Some number between 1 and 10 times a power of 10. So what does this number actually look like? What is 2.6 times 10 to the 10th, or 10 to the 7th if we actually wrote that out? So basically, let's convert a scientific number to a decimal number. What we'll do in these particular cases then is we'll take the base number, which in this case is a 2.6, and then I'm going to multiply it by 10 to the 7th. Well, if decimal is fairly easy because each multiplication by 10 just moves the decimal point one spot. So here's 10 to the 7th. So we're going to take this decimal point and move it over 7 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a new decimal point, and each little trough right there, I'll put a 0 because it was being moved 1 decimal point over. So what is that new number? Well, if we put in our standard commas, it'll be 26 million. Oh, just 26 million. Let me make sure my zeros right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there you go. So 2.6 times 10 to the 7th is equivalent to the decimal expression of 26 million. Notice on the second set of numbers I have here, it's a very, very small number. 1.1 times 10 to the negative 4th. What's the process with that? Yes, please notice the negative exponent there. What that means is that I'm making the number 4 times smaller. The first time I was making it 7 times greater. The next one I'm making really 4 times smaller. So to do that, let's write our base number down, which is 1.1. And this time I'm going to move the decimal point to the left 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a new decimal point. Put zeros in each of those troughs. And so now I have the number 0.00011. And sometimes people, to help us understand it's 0.0, sometimes people put a 0 in front in the ones column. So it's 0.00011. So we can convert from scientific notation to decimal notation.